Wall-mounted bath accessories maximize storage in limited spaces. Be undeniably modern and sophisticated with a matte black finish. Long-lasting, durable finish resists corrosion, tarnish, and discoloration. Toilet paper holder measures 2.40 inches hx 7.05, L and 3.02, D with set screw mounting. Easy installation. All mounting hardware, template, and guide included. Complete your look with the coordinating Maxted Bath Collection of accessories sold separately. Confidently backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic product. It is perfect and exactly what I wanted. This item is on back order with every big box store and the manufacturer, so I was thrilled to receive these, so I knew I had full matching set, already had towel bars etc., for both bathroom projects. I now can proceed with my job. BTW super fast shipping. Had them in a day. Thanks so much.